It is well said that education is passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Malcolm X was an African American leader in the civil rights movement and minister. He is supporter of black nationalism. The Ballot or the Bullet is a famous speech about American Africans' fight for civil rights by Malcolm. His overall intention with this speech was to motivate the audience to continue fighting for civil rights on all fronts by whatever means necessary, including violence. When Malcolm was 6, his father died in what has been officially ruled a streetcar accident, though his mother believed that he had been murdered by the Black Legion. Rumors that white racists were responsible for his father's death were widely circulated and were very disturbing to Malcolm X as a child. Malcolm spent his adolescence living in a series of foster homes or with relatives after his father's death and his mother's hospitalization. He engaged in several criminal activities, so he was sentenced to 10 years in prison in 1946. In prison, he joined the Nation of Islam, adopted the name Malcolm X to symbolize his unknown African ancestral surname, and quickly became one of the organization's most influential leaders. At the age of 39, he was assassinated. On February 21, 1965, Malcolm X took the stage for a speech at the Audubon Ballroom. He had just begun addressing the room when multiple men rushed the stage and began firing guns. He said, "You can't separate peace from freedom because no one can be at peace unless he has his freedom." Do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such stories.